When you first log in the trading room, it's very, very, very simple. You look at these 2 5-minute moving averages. Moving averages to me are absolutely worthless, and anybody that trades off of them, you have a losing proposition right away. If you've ever been educated about trading off moving averages, they're wrong because you don't know which one they're going to stop at. They're very lagging in nature. So what we have to do is we get a trade off order flow, which is market profile. Market profile doesn't lie to us. It tells us exactly where the volume is and price structure is in the market at all times. So what I want to do is I want to use moving averages for trend direction. And trend direction told me that the moving averages are up. My white is crossed through my magenta. That tells me I want to take longs. So what I do is I only have two, yes, count them, number 1 and a number 3 trade. 2 setups. That's it. 2 setups. That's all I have for retracement trades with market profile. I look at my blue dots, my green dots below are LVA, low value area. I had 93.16 and 93.12. So as the market worked its way down, I want to buy the first test of 93.16 or 12 with the first green pull-in bar. There it is. There's LVA. LVA got into it in my room. Here's my room setup. I only got 2 retracement trades in the room. One is by the first test of these green dots. Right, there's the first test. There's my green reversal bar. Did I have divergence? You can use the bottom oscillator for divergence to confirm it. Yes, I did. There's my higher low, showing that we're going to get a bounce out of the market. There's your green reversal bar. There's a trade. Use the symmetry dots to scale then in the live room. That's my live room market profile trade. It's called a number 1 trade in the room. And number 1 simply states this. You can get that quick sheet that we let you print out to help you out. It says if my market's in an uptrend, I want to buy the first test of the low value area. And once it's broke out of LVA, what I want to do is I want to go up to HVA. My second, I only have 2 market profile trades. Count them. 1, 2. 1, 2. I only got 2 market profile retracement trades in the room. That's all. It's very simple to understand this methodology. I've been doing this for 3 years in the room. Same exact setups every day. There's HVA up here. Now watch how cool this is. Here's HVA, high value area. So what I want to do, this is my number 3 trade. You get 2 shots at it. You can see my high value area was at 93.47 over here, right? So it's very simple. I'm not trying to short HVA. I'm not a counter trend trader. I don't teach you guys and gals to counter trend trade. I want to break HVA and retest HVA and go long. Check this out. All you got to know is 2 setups in the room off market profile. There she goes. She's lifting. Market is lifting. Look at lifting off my number 3. So there's HVA. And this is number 3. It's a breakout retest long. So I want you to learn only 2 setups with my room trades and only 2 setups to learn on my J signal on all markets. And that's it. There's my number 3. Number 3 retest long caught it. Number 1 caught the exact low in the market off my methodology. There. Make it easy on yourself. Make it easy. Market's in an uptrend. 5 minutes in an uptrend. I want to buy the first test of LVA. LVA comes down. You want a green bar reversal to get you in the trade. Your stop after you get in, you have a 13-tick catastrophic stop. Lower to 3 ticks below the swing low. Your stop on that trade is here. 3 ticks below the swing. And then you look for a breakout and an LVA retest. Breakout of 47, retest of 47, and go long for a number 3 trade here. Number 1s are the best because they're a deep retracement. Number 3s are a breakout of HVA, a retest of HVA for continuation. Number 1s are great because they're with trend direction. Number 3 greats are great because they're with trend direction. Now, that's my room trade. So you got to learn just 2 setups on market profile in my room. 2. That's it. No more. 2. If you're looking for a momentum breakout, since it's been tested so much, my number 2 breakout says when I get near market profile, this is for momentum trading. You don't have to get in momentum trading if you don't want. You want to see price get rejected at my symmetry dots. You can have symmetry dots on your own chart. Or you can use the room. You see it got rejected there. That told me we got rejected. HVA was 47 just above. There's your breakout if you're going to take a number 2. Now this number 2 is below HVA, so it's more dangerous. Typically you want it right at or above for number 2. But I suggest if you're getting in the room and you don't do momentum trades, because a number 2 trade requires me to get rejected if I'm taking a rejection trade. It has to get rejected at my symmetry dots, near or at HVA. I suggest what you do, that has to have a rejection there to show I got the counter trend traders in the market. Counter trend traders rejected, then the breakout is 1 bar above my symmetry dots for entry for a momentum trade. Or you can just do a number 3 and a number 1 retest long. That's all you got to do. Now check this out. So my number 1, number 2, and number 3 trades. Only 3 trades. That's it, guys. For total market profile. It's a trade market profile every day. I've only got 3 trades. Now, the cool thing about it is you only got to know 2 if you want to just do retracement tradings, and you don't have to do the number 2 breakout. But number 2 breakouts, you got to have 2 things. You got to have the 5-minute trend with you, the 2-minute trend with you, and you got to have a rejection at symmetry dots before the break. And then you can get in with this bar right here. But if you're new to the room, just take number 1s. They're easier. Like Jeff said, he's been a long-term member of the room, batting around 80% on these trades. Number 3 is a breakout retest. It's not as accurate as a number 1 because it's a breakout retest of order flow. But we don't sell HVA. We look for a breakout retest. Now check out J signal. Now, and then we'll check this off. Check this out. Check this out. Look how accurate we are. Look at this accuracy that I got on J signal. I've got this thing nailed down to a science. If you can't trade every market and have accuracy like this, you shouldn't have an indicator that plots these signals, because this thing is extremely accurate. Look at my 5-minute trend filler. This is J signal by itself without the room. There's my trend change. My 5-minute trend filler is up. Look at my buy signal. Look at that. Caught the exact low on J signal. Check out my next bullseye trade, because we're not counter trend traders. Check this out. Knowledge is power, my friends. Look at that. Look at that J signal. Look at that J signal. Bullseye. You want 2 bullseye trades. You want a yellow dot right over top the bullseye. Yellow dot over top the bullseye. Okay? This is what I'm talking about. We got the 2 room trades work this morning. Number 1 nailed it. Number 3 we nailed it. J signal has not had 1 losing trade with trend direction. Check this out. There's my first trade, trend direction. There's my second trade. It's 100% accurate this morning when you know what you're doing. Because I'm taking the first bullseye on the pullback. First bullseye on the pullback. Look how, do you think this is by chance that this works on all markets, guys and gals? Do you think it goes right down to my black line and bounces on all markets like this? Do you think it's chance that my DAX trade did the exact same trade this morning? Same exact setup for a huge trade for me? You think this is by chance that the Russell does this? The S&P, all of them? I think it's by chance. The market is fixed, guys and gals. There's algorithms that have this programmed. They like 62 to 76% retracements in markets. And what happens is my automatic indicator picks it up. It's going to pick up the sweet spot for you. What we got to do is got to qualify the trade zone. Right there. You had a shot at it right here with what? With a bullseye. Now check this out. The number 3 was what? Was a J signal trade the same time as the number 3 in the room. So I got a number 3 trade, and I preach about this all the time. The number 3, I see it line up all the time with my room trades. There's the number 3. There it is. The number 3 lined up exactly with my J signal. We have them on our website there, Theo. We have them on our website. It works great on both of them. It works on all markets. Doesn't matter, man. It's a $150 lease. The way I see it, Leo, is this. If a trader can't get in there and try it for 1 month at $150, then I don't know what to tell you. And if you don't like it after a month, don't resubscribe. Traders that email me, I get tons of traders. How's it do this? How's it do that? Try it 1 month. If you don't like it, don't resubscribe. If you do, make as much money as you want. Make as much money as you want. Turn into an Earl doing 250 tick days live. Make as much money as you want. turn it off. Go ahead, turn it on. Go for it. That's the only way you're going to know, Theo, right? It's the only way you're going to know. If you can't make an investment in your own business for $150 a month, man, that's up to you. It's up to you to decide that. And if it doesn't work for you, shut it back off. Don't ever resubscribe. That's the only way I can tell traders. And just like market profile, they say, well, give me your stats on #1 trades. You come in and you see how accurate it is. If you don't like it, don't resubscribe. I'm a very non-fluff guy. I mean, the bottom line, if you don't like something, why would you want to keep subscribing to it? If you can't make money from it, don't resubscribe, right? But you're going to find out we got a lot of long-term members in the room because we're no fluff. We tell you exactly where order flow is. That's order flow to the exact bar. That's order flow to the exact bar. Check this out. Right beside each other. That is power. Knowledge is power. My LVA calls a low in the #1. My #3 retest calls a long. My J signal calls a first bullseye trade. You're good to go.